What is up, everybody? Dan the Trading Man doing a little live trading action here. Gonna see if we can get a fill at 53.65. I'm considering a long position in that area. Crude oil open is at 9 a.m. We might see this run down, possibly fill me on that, and then we can move higher again. That's what the trade I'm taking is looking to do. And obviously, we could also run higher. There's no reason not to. We do have some resistance levels at play, so part of me does not want to take a long trade if we move up into those blue and white levels above us. I think that could be some pretty serious resistance when we get there. See what happens here. Just became 9 a.m., so the open just occurred. We'll see here if we get to 95, I'll have to most likely cancel this order. Gonna change my entry here to the 50% at 66. See if we can get down there, if we're just going to continue going higher into those 90s. I think we got to a low of 79 before. I thought we were going to come down and get filled eventually in that direction. And then 9 a.m. occurred, moved back up into the lower 90s, and now we're in high 80s, low 90 range. We'll see if we can actually go down lower to that 50%, or if we are going to go higher and end up hitting this 38 and 50% level. The blue is a 38 and the white is a 50%. There we go. We got a low of 81 on that candle there. Looks like we're ticking down into the 70s. There we go, 70, high 70s just got hit. 66 is the entry we're looking for. Puts us about 10 cents away. Three minutes into the open. Within 8 cents here of hitting our entry. $0.02 away now from hitting our entry. And looks like we just got filled at 66. See if we can get that push higher. Flat was about 80, okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our stop at break even here. A little bit ahead actually, because you know, commissions. Having a bit of a problem here on my program. Sorry about that, I'm very distracted right now. So basically, I'm a funded trader on Top Step, and my dome over there wasn't working, so I got very distracted. Sorry about that. This low is 88, so my stop is going to be 87 right now. I got it fixed. It's all good. It's just, you know, one of those things that, you know, it can really go wrong if I don't get my live feed there. But sorry about that. Very distracted. But no matter what, we'll do about $210. So there we go, $210 on the day there. I would have put my stop at 300 had I been paying attention to this, but obviously just distracted with that going on. Yeah, again, funded trader at Top Step. My dome basically wasn't refreshing, and I had to move my stop up, and it just wouldn't. Yeah, it just wasn't loading, so I had to restart that. And like I said, obviously super distracted dealing with that. So normally, you know, we were 2 cents away from my target here. I would have put my stop at about $300 at that point. Instead, I'm only going to make about 210. But you know, it's still a good day. Just wish it could have been a lot better. But yeah, okay. So I hope you guys learn a little bit from that. Low to high setup here. 50% was the entry. And then from there, we went to our target at 04. I had my target for my contracts at 06. We just got a little shy of that. That happens. And, you know, we just hit this 38 and 50% level that we're looking at. And this overall, that the reason why we are concerned about that level is because on a swing trading chart, we actually have a high to low, 50% goes to its target, and then we had another high to low, 50% went to its target, and you see we've blown through this by a lot. So that's why I was very cautious about those levels down here. But I'm a big proponent for buying at lows and selling at highs with day trading. I think you can make a lot of money in those areas because you have a lot of room to run in the other direction. Going back to the tick chart here, we were just down at lows, started going above our prior highs over here that we had. So I just drew a low to high setup. 66 was the entry. We got to our target at 04. My personal entry was 06. We obviously hit that here. I only did $210. It should have been $300. I was just distracted because, like I said, I had to get my dome figured out. I had to sign in quickly on that platform on my other laptop and deal with that. So a little unfortunate that affected the trade in that way, but it's all right. We still did okay. Could have been a lot worse. If you have questions, let me know. Comments, let me know. Like I said, I do eventually plan on having premium content. I'll go more into detail on the setups I take and why I take them. But other than that, follow me on @Dan the Trade Man, and I will see you guys later.